sorry for the loud noises of the cicadas, but we have some really cute strawberries growing, and I just picked a couple. And there's some that need just like a little bit more time. I think this one's actually ready. Perfect, it's so cute. And then there's some more growing here. And then we have blueberries that are turning blue. So adorable. I just picked this strawberry. I picked more from the garden, but I put them inside already. But I got this one, so cute. They're so good. Now I'm going to find Stella, but I don't think she can hear me because the cicadas are so freaking loud. They're gross, let me tell you. I made a smoothie bowl. The strawberries I picked. So yummy. Excited. Our friend just bought a townhouse in DC, and they're doing a bunch of renovations to this 115-year-old house. I'm helping them throughout the project. This is their tiny bathroom that they're redoing. They are redoing the kitchen. They're relocating this bathroom, but they are relocating the bathroom to a different part of the main floor, just so the kitchen will have a nice open layout to the living area. After getting a tour, we headed out to dinner with them.
Yeah, anyways.
It's like the drink at, it's similar to the drink at Mojito.
Yeah? I don't really like it.
It is similar to it.
Yeah, good try, and then you're like, oh, I'm sorry.
I know, his hair is so long now that I find it.
That's funny. It's not Riley's hair, it's your hair.
No, so I have an affinity for gas. Cooking, which is I like it.
I like it.
Cooking at TI, like,
Oh, my mom loves to bring in gas.
it's so frustrating.
That's not induction.
I know, it's electric. It's what I had growing up. It's so, well, we have the coils growing up. No, I have to have the flame.
That's what he has at his house.
I love it.
I mean, gas is okay.
Yeah.
I think induction, like, cooks more evenly and very precisely.
That's what they say.
That's what everybody says.
That's what they say, but I actually I enjoy the activity of cooking, so cooking it evenly is my responsibility, you know what I mean? So I actually like cooking. So, good, huh?
Dad, he made his own tzatziki. He made like,
It was too thick. Sorry.
No.
Pat.
Oh, no kidding.
it was really good. It was not
You guys want to try this?
I'm good.
I'm taking pictures of the happy eating food.
Sometimes I do that when I forget.
Oh, I never saw Kaale. Should have caught and spied on him. My brother's at prom right now. I'm recording a video. I'm a little tipsy. We took a shot of Fireball. And then we got some mixed drinks. I say we, but I really mean me. And I haven't really drank in a while. Like, a lot. I don't know. I usually just have like one glass of wine, and that's every 2 weeks. No, 1 month, like once a month. I don't know. I just haven't drank in a while, so my tolerance has gone down. That's what I'm trying to say. So, we met with our friends for dinner. The meatloaf was so good. It was really good. And their mashed potatoes were chunky, and I love chunky mashed potatoes. It was fantastic. We're on our way home now. And, okay. Oh, wow. Did you see their tire? It was popped to the rim. We went to DC, and my brother is there right now for prom. He went out to dinner.
Oh, where did you go?
Somewhere in Pennsylvania Avenue.
Oh, did you go to the White House?
Yeah, I think that's where he went. But he said he's going to an expensive place on Pennsylvania Avenue. I don't know what that means. It's because he's a boy, and I don't know what expensive means to him.
Chipotle, but it's easy.
Yeah, pretty much. I wanted to go spy on him, but I forgot. And our friends are just bought a house there, and they're redoing it right now, and they're gonna move in soon. Super exciting for them. And we're gonna go home to Stella. I'm so excited. I miss her. Are we dog parents? Because I think we're dog parents.
I need to see my dog.
Yeah, we need to see Stella.
She's such a sweet gal.
She is a sweet girl.
She just makes me happy. And
really
even
does.
when I'm angry with her, she just makes
I
me
know.
happy.
She knows when we're mad, and she's very good at being really cute when we're mad. It's not even like we're that mad at her, but she does act like we're gonna hit her, which we had never never going to. But she acts like we're gonna murder her or something.
I'll like yell at her because she doesn't come right away.
Yeah.
And she'll be like, "Don't hit me."
Welcome. Here's Stella and I. We're on a dock. We're at a family friend's river house. And I'm sitting on their front dock looking out the water. It's super nice and sunny. It's about like 70s. So I'm not swimming weather, but we're having a good time out here. And I'm drinking a coffee. Stella's been playing around the house. She's having a good time. Very peaceful and relaxing. And I think we're gonna go put their boat in the water. Take a little boat ride. We came yesterday and it was rainy and gross. So we didn't do much. We did go to the outlets, and I got something from one store, so I'll go show you guys later. It was pretty crowded and it wasn't like great stuff. So, kind of quick trip, but I ordered stuff online for Memorial Day weekend sales. And I'll see if Stella wants to go in the water. Probably not, but I'll try. We had steak and potatoes last night with asparagus, and James and I went to a little farmer's market here. I got some corn, strawberries, and peaches that are all grown up here. Yeah, having a nice relaxing time, aren't we, Stels? She was so tired last night.
Good.
Yeah, Stella.
I'm seriously afraid she's gonna push me in,
I
right?
don't think she was.
She's gonna jump up on us. We're right by the edge of the water.
I trust her. So it's right over there, hon. Hi, girl. You. Stella. Hi. That's a happy puppy. That's a happy puppy. Yeah. Oh my. just got done with the boat. The dogs are in the house. Gonna go get them. Hey guys, it's later. We're back home from our family friend's river house, and Stella got a bath because she was in the water there. Now she's sleeping on the bed, but I wanted to show you what I got at the outlet, just because I did get a little bit of makeup stuff. And I went to the store called the Cosmetics Company store, and they just have like a bunch of discount makeup. So I'm gonna do a little haul of what I got. I got this Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector Pressed C-Pop. It's like a creamy highlight powder. Pretty sure it's Champagne Pop. They just wrote C-Pop. I don't know. But, and then I also got Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector Pressed in Rose Quartz. So I think they're the... I don't know why they're in different packaging, but they're both the same thing, 2 different colors. And Becca is going out of business, so I wanted to pick up stuff before I don't have the chance to anymore. I got this Born This Way multi-use sculpting concealer from Too Faced, and I got in spiced rum because I thought I could try it as a cream contour. Yeah, it says contour on here, so I think that would be nice. Try. I'm tired, I'm sorry. And then last product I got was this Too Faced Fallen in Love with Your Lashes, and it has the Better Than Sex mascara and the Damn Girl mascara. It's a mini one of the Damn Girl, but the big one of this. And in total, I spent $38. This was $10. This was $7. This was $6, and then the mascara was $13, which is a great deal for all those. I'm pretty sure the mascara is usually like $25 or $30, so very excited about those deals, and I love my makeup, so I was happy I found that. They also gave me a sample. It's from Aveda Damage Remedy Daily Hair Repair. That's the end of this weekend's vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you could please like and subscribe down below, it means so much for Stella and I. She's so over me. She's like, leave me alone. Anyways, have a good start to your week, and I'll see you guys later in my next video.